Hello, teachers! Today was Classroom Transformation Day. It's always a puzzle to see how I'll fit all of my furniture into such a small space. I love my classroom, but I wish I were bigger. However, I wouldn't trade it for the view of the mountains and the beautiful playground right outside my classroom door. Let's have a look to see what I walked into this morning so you can see where I started. As you can see, everything is piled up as they wax the floors in the summer. It's always fun to dig everything out and find all of my things again. I like the clean slate that I have to work with, and that anything I want to do in my room is possible. There's a 360 view for you. And after a few hours, this is what my classroom space turned into. Chances are I may shift a few things before school starts, but overall, I am very happy with my space. I still have some finishing touches like those things you see there on my desk to get posted up, but overall I've switched some of my secret story spots around, ones that I think I'll use more with my students. So some of mine up top I've moved down below and vice versa. I've got some little posters up on my walls. I have a few more to go. My student teacher desk, the rainbow table to work with my students, and some playground equipment for outside to play with. Got my projector trolley set up. And I shifted my bookcase around here. It used to face the other way. This side makes more sense because it opened up the area on the other side for me to put my big teaching chart in. So overall, I'm pretty happy with the final setup here. I like to get my classroom set up so that I can focus my brain and get into school mode so that I can begin to plan out September. I like to plan the month as much as I possibly can in the summer because, as we know, September is so exhausting for us teachers. I hope you enjoyed seeing my transformation. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get notified of my new videos I will be posting very soon and on a regular basis. Have a great day and happy teaching!